Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this ETF report for SQQQ. The report was first published on our website Friday, October 21, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Our aim is to help you answer the question, should I buy or sell SQQQ? In this video, you will get insight into the technical and fundamental situation and future price predictions. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since September 13, 2022, our system ranks the SQQQ ETF as a sell candidate, giving it a score of 1.457. If you were following our analysis, you would have had an amazing gain of 15.16% since we first told you to buy SQQQ 29 days ago. This is an average return of 0.52% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for SQQQ, our last headline reads, high volatility in SQQQ ETF price on Friday, which ended trading at $54.08. The SQQQ ETF price fell by -7.06% on the last day, Friday, October 21, 2022, from $58.19 to $54.08. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 11% from a day low at $53.72 to a day high of $59.63. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days but is still down by -8.45% for this period. Volume has increased on the last day by 21 million shares but on falling prices. This may be an early warning and the risk will be increased slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 166 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $8.96 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $69.55, and the lowest price was $5.99. Right now the price is 22.24%, or $15.47, below 52-week high, and 93.31%, or $754.39, below all-time high March 12, 2020. The ETF price in the lower part of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $51.93 is broken, it will firstly indicate a slower rate of rising, but may also be an early warning for a trend shift. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 59.16% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 52.84% and 95.14%. The 12-month trend indicates a 45.71% change over the next 12 months, with a possible return between -32.40% and 100.07%. This equals a price between $36.56 and $108.20 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for SQQQ. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the ETF. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, October 14, 2022, and so far it has fallen -16%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume rose on falling prices yesterday. This may be an early warning and the ETF should be followed more closely. Some positive signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The SQQQ ETF holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal in the ETF giving a positive forecast for the stock. On further gains, the ETF will meet resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $58.22. On a fall, the ETF will find some support from the long-term average at approximately $53.45. A breakup through the short-term average will send a buy signal, whereas a breakdown through the long-term average will send a sell signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a sell signal. Pivots gave a sell signal 6 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 208 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 31 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 38 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a sell signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 27 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 21 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for SQQQ. SQQQ finds support from accumulated volume at $53.68, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This ETF has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the ETF moved $5.91 between high and low, or 11%. For the last week, the ETF has had daily average volatility of 8.02%. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, SQQQ meets first resistance at $56.26. If you do not hold SQQQ shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, SQQQ finds first level of support at $53.68, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. In the table we have listed other potential swing trading levels based on the famous Fibonacci model. Our recommended stop loss is $51.33, minus 5.08%. This ETF has medium daily movements, and this gives medium risk. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 5 days ago. Is SQQQ ETF a buy? Several of the signals/indicators are negative, and we believe that this will affect on the development for the next days and maybe possible weeks. However, over time, we think that today's level holds a possible buying opportunity and that the price will be higher during or at the end of this 3-month period. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Monday 24th, we expect SQQQ to open up $1.73 and start trading at $55.81. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. And remember to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest videos and updates.